Hello! Today I'm here to video on how to assemble your very own Christmas tree. We have 5 parts, 4 branches and 1 base. Step 1. First, we take our base. We make sure the legs are wide. We take our screws. Insert the screws so that they are just inside the holes. We will tighten them after we put the tree in. Like so. Take the first part of the tree and insert. Then we can tighten the base. Then we need to extend all of the arms of the branches. Put on the second part. And do the same. Extend all the branches. Same with the third part. Extend all of the branches. And finally, the top of the tree. And yet again, extend the branches. There we are. So now we've assembled our tree, put all the parts together, we now have to make our tree look fuller. So by doing this, we have to extend each layer of the branches by 90 degrees. Now you can see that after extending all of the branches, our tree looks a lot more full. Our branches are made from PVC and PE. PE is a type of plastic. It's more durable and it's more realistic to the touch. So now we're going to test the strength of the base. I weigh 80 kilos, so let's try it out. Seems strong enough? Okay, now I stand here today at 6 foot tall. Our tree is 7.5 feet tall. So now our tree is nice and full. The only thing left to do is decorate it. So the last step is to decorate the tree. So like me, you can buy some decorations. I bought some baubles, some gold and silver leaves, snowflakes, and a star to top the tree. So let's decorate. So now to add on the last bauble and our tree will be complete. There you go. What a beautiful tree. I hope this video has helped you out and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.
Hey ho, it's Christmas Day. Hey ho, it's time to play. Batter, batter, soft and white, like a star shining bright. Merry, Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas from Batter to you.
Hey ho, it's Christmas Day. Hey ho, it's time to play. Me, round and red, bringing gifts on her sled.
Merry, Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas.
Bringing gifts on her sled.
Merry, Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry
and then you're done. 3 sections, snap them together, pull out the branches, and that's how you assemble this 6-foot tall Christmas tree.
Celebrate this Christmas with Best Choice Products Artificial Spruce Tree. This full-body hinged spruce will surely bring Christmas cheer into your home. Invite the holiday spirit into your home without the mess of traditional trees. Available in 6 feet and 9 feet.